Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to do things a little bit differently. I wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to make a potentially viral TikTok video. We're going to be breaking down 3 of my most recent viral videos, along with tutorials, step by step, to give you guys a glimpse into our process and what we were thinking during the filming of these videos. But before we get started, totally hit the subscribe button, and you'll be glad you did, because we are giving away a pair of AirPod Pros to one lucky new subscriber. We will be announcing the winner next week, but enough about that. Let's go over some simple tips that you should apply to every video you make. First and foremost, guys, lighting. Lighting is key. You gotta have good light. And if you don't have studio quality lights, that's okay. The best light you can get is natural light. Sunlight. Go outside. Film outside as much as possible, weather permitting. Next, guys, bright colors do a lot for a TikTok video. People are drawn to bright colors. It catches the eye. Also, guys, in my opinion, original content does very well. Everybody lip syncs. Everybody dances. Try something new. No, I'm not saying stop dancing and lip syncing altogether, but sprinkle something else in there. Whether it be comedy, music, animals, or anything else that you are passionate about. But most importantly, guys, have fun. When you have fun making a video, it shows. And your viewers have fun watching you. So regardless of what you do, just grab some friends and have fun. Alright, now we're gonna break down the first video. This was one of our most recent virals using our Fruit Ninja concept. First, we're gonna break down the tutorial, step by step, on what we did to create this video. Let's have a look. So first, guys, we just took a simple fishing hook, attached to fishing wire, then we cut our fruit at an angle. That allowed us to put the fishing hook on the bottom side of the apple. We placed the 2 pieces together, and then we started filming. When we were ready, Kristen would gently pull on the fruit. Then we had fishing wire attached to plates above my head. When she was ready, she yanked on the fishing wire, which made the plates look like they were falling by themselves, which was all part of the gag. Let's take a look at the finished product. I pull the sword, she pulls the fruit. I pull the sword, she pulls the fruit. And now for the punchline, here come the plates. Now guys, I know, not everybody has a samurai sword, which is okay. The best lesson you can take out from this video is getting creative with your props. Fishing line, fishing line, fishing line. You can do so much with fishing line, whether it be create a cool ghost effect, tying fishing line to a sheet, or making it look like you have the powers of the force. You can use fishing line for endless ideas. But get creative with your props. You can put to use so many simple household items to come up with a really creative concept. Our next video is a breakdown of a cool illusion video that did very well for us recently. Illusion videos are super fun, and if you know how the illusion works, super simple. Let's take a look at the tutorial, guys, and then I will break it down for you step by step. So the basic concept of this one was me trying to fit an apple into a 2-liter. Kind of like the old ship and a bottle illusion. So what we did, guys, is we put an apple on a stick. We pinched our 2-liter bottle to make it easier to cut. Then we just cut out the top half of the bottle, the top upper half, lifted up the flap, and then cut it off. Now guys, in order to sell the illusion, you need to pretend like you're trying to fit the apple down the bottle first. Once you do that, go ahead and slip it down the back side of the bottle. Ta-da! Now I'm going to show you the actual video, guys, so you can see how it looks for yourselves. Start by dropping in some blueberries or whatever fruit you have laying around that'll fit, just to sell the illusion. Next, I try to actually fit the apple down to also sell the illusion. Notice I'm covering the bottle with my hand so nobody can see the transition. Once it's in, you're gold. Again, guys, that was just taking simple household items and coming up with a crazy concept. Super easy to do. That was actually a trend that I saw somebody else do. Alright, the last video we're going to do is how to make a cool looking transition. Transitions can be some of the coolest looking videos you see on TikTok. And they're not as hard as you think. It's all about some crafty camera work, when to start and when to stop the camera in order to get the coolest looking effect. This video was one we put up recently where I used a blanket to turn myself into my dog Penny. Let's take a look. So guys, we set our TikTok timer to stop at a certain point. As soon as I flip the blanket over, the camera stops. That's when I'm going to move Penny into place. She's stubborn, so it took a minute. Then we set our TikTok timer again. That way we get a countdown when we start recording. Now this is important. We set up the blanket and started the timer, but we have to make sure and flip the blanket over when the timer hits 1.
Action.
That way the transition looks clean. Ready, flip. And guys, the most important part about all of it is you can always do it again. If you get your first part down, you can redo the second part over and over and over and over and over and over as many times as it takes. But that's the fun of it. You just keep trying until you get it, until it looks clean. In fact, let's take a look at the finished product so you can see how awesome a clean transition looks.
Hey babe,
What?
magic challenge. You go first.
Okay. Your turn. Whoa, what?
Your turn. What in the world?
And wow. And guys, you can do that from home. It is so easy. It just takes a little practice and a little time. And you don't even need a dog to do it. You can do it with a friend, or you can do it with anything, guys. Now, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know people are thinking, well, where's Penny? Huh? We have a super funny video that we are filming next week that is all about Penny. So we wanted to try something new because everybody's stuck at home. So what better thing to do than make some cool, fun, creative TikToks? Guys, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content, and we will see you next week.